In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks Online certificate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to prepare, and what it takes to earn and maintain your certification with confidence. Begin by creating a free account with QuickBooks Online Accountant. This is the gateway to all the training, practice resources, and the certification exam itself. On the sign up page, choose Sign Up for Free, enter your basic details, create a strong password, and verify your account by email. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard designed specifically for accounting professionals and bookkeepers. From your dashboard, open the Learn and Support area and head to Training or Certification. Select the QuickBooks Online Certification course. Start with the introductory modules, which walk you through how to navigate QuickBooks Online, manage customers and vendors, connect and manage bank accounts, and handle core workflows like payroll, expenses, and reporting. These lessons are self-paced and include videos, quizzes, and practice exercises so you can learn in short sessions or go deep when you have time. A helpful tip is to take brief notes as you go. Jotting down where each feature lives will save you time on the exam. Next, apply what you've learned in a practice company file. This is a safe, sandbox-style environment where you can make mistakes without any consequences. Enter sample transactions, run key reports such as profit and loss or balance sheet, reconcile bank accounts, and try setting up invoices, payroll, and bank feeds. Treat it like a real client file. Follow a workflow, check your results, and repeat tasks until they feel second nature. When you're ready, open the QuickBooks Online Certification portal and choose Start Exam. Expect multiple choice questions and scenario-based simulations that mirror real-world bookkeeping. Most test takers have around 2 hours. Plan a quiet environment, a reliable internet connection, and enough time to review flagged questions before submitting. The exam focuses on navigation, entering and managing transactions, building reports, and common accountant workflows. After you submit, you'll see instant results. The typical passing score is 80% or higher. If you don't pass on the first attempt, review the areas you missed, revisit the related training modules, and try again once you're comfortable. Upon passing, you'll receive a digital certificate. Download it as a PDF, print a copy if you'd like, and add it to your resume and professional profiles to showcase your expertise. Certification is valid for 1 year, so remember to complete annual recertification. Keep your skills sharp by staying current on new QuickBooks Online features and relevant tax and accounting updates. This ongoing habit protects your credibility and ensures you continue delivering reliable work to clients.